You know what drives me nuts? Traders who throw 100 grand into the market, but then trade on the same laptop their kid uses to watch cartoons. That's like racing in the Indianapolis 500 in a minivan. Sure, it'll move, but you're going to get smoked. And here's the controversial part. 99% of the laptops out there are garbage for trading. Yeah, I said it. Most laptops are built for students on Facebook and Instagram, not for traders shaving milliseconds off of executions. And you have to realize that most laptops are optimized for miniaturization and for battery life and for looking thin and sexy. They're not optimized for power and speed, not optimized for traders like us. We need horsepower, not a fashion statement. The processor is the engine of the laptop, and if the horsepower score isn't at least 25,000 or more, you're driving a go-kart in the Indianapolis 500. Most laptops suck for trading. They're like four-cylinder engines on a superhighway. They have weak RAM, old spinning hard drives, and don't get me started on trading with a laptop on a touchpad. Touchpads are fine for Instagram, but when you need to exit a trade fast, it's like trying to sign your name with an oven mitt. I'm 10 times faster on a mouse. But here's the good news. The newest high-end mobile processors from Intel and AMD, they've finally got the muscle we need as traders. We're talking serious horsepower. My top picks for laptop processors in 2025 are the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX, a total beast. This thing benchmarks at 57,107. Think 2025 Corvette Z06 model, supercar. The next processor I love is the AMD Ryzen 9 9955HX. This thing benchmarks just about 60,000. And don't sleep on AMD. This one's a monster. Think Corvette ZR1. And lastly, the Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX has even more horsepower. All of these processors are monsters. And the kicker? All three of these processors are AI ready. So when you start tapping into AI trading tools like pattern recognition and market scanning, or even automated strategies, these processors won't choke. They're already built for the future. And by the way, get your copy of my complete guide to laptops for traders. I break down everything about laptops in great detail. The processors, the RAM, the hard drives, the graphics cards. You'll know exactly what matters and what's just hype. And it's written for traders, not computer geeks, so don't worry. The link is in the description. Now, if you take any of these three processors with an NVMe M.2 solid state drive, and I won't try to geek out on what that is, but it's currently the fastest drive that you need for 2025. And then you max out the memory, the RAM, and you add a discrete NVIDIA 5000 series AI trading ready video card. You don't just have a laptop, you've got an easy trading laptop. Yeah, that's a technical term. Don't settle for good enough, because in this game, milliseconds matter. And while your buddy's laptop is still booting up, you're already placing trades. And if you want the ultimate shortcut, take a look at the TrendForcer Easy Laptop. It features the brand new Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX, and it's already upgraded. It's tuned for traders like us, and it comes with a huge pile of free upgrades and bonuses. There's no guesswork. There's no asking yourself, did I buy the wrong machine? You just plug it in and trade. I put a link to this very special price model at a discounted price in the description. Don't trade in a minivan when you could be in a Ferrari. This is Eddie Z, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, are you serious? Come on. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, tick that little bell, and may the trend be with you.